If you're going to be buying a house, understanding the best mortgage for you is crucial to your success. After all, it's your finances. You're going to be buying a house. This video is for you. We're going to unearth the high points on FHA. FHA is commonly felt to be a first-time buyer home mortgage. It does require you are an owner-occupant. Traditionally, 3.5% down. That money can come from a gift from a family member or other eligible parties. There is down payment assistance that can be available, and the seller can contribute up to 6% towards closing costs on your behalf. Technically, you could have down to a 500 credit score, but realistically, 580 is going to be what you want, and even more so, possibly a 620 for a loan approval. They can be manually approved. If your situation doesn't fit within the box, you can have a manually approved FHA loan. FHA is great because it does allow for higher tolerance on debt ratios. That is important when you're buying a home. They have quicker forgiveness for foreclosures, bankruptcies, and short sales. There is mortgage insurance. Unless you put 10% down, it will stay on there for the life of the loan. There's a monthly and a finance up front. Again, though, don't be dissuaded to not buy just because of the mortgage insurance. Get educated about what it means to you. Condos, there is a link I will share below for approval for FHA condos. There are renovation loans, so you can buy a house, finance in the cost of improvements through what's called an FHA 203K loan as well. Reverse mortgages, for those already in the home that are older, this can be a way to get equity out and sustain living in the home at an older age, along with a streamlined refinance FHA brings, where there's no income, no appraisal, and stability to lower your rate and your payment down the road. So high points on FHA loans. Comment below on your questions specifically about FHA loans to go deeper. As I said, I would share a video for you that this one will go over some important information about closing costs, planned and unplanned costs of buying a house. This is an important one. I would watch it if I were going to buy a house. And then below, I have additional links for you about these things that I've talked about in the video. Thank you so much. I hope this is helpful to you today. Subscribe if you find value in this content as you begin the journey to buy your home.